Give me 5.
Shake, Hoosier.
Shake.
Shake.
Shake. But yes.
Good job.
Said that older politicians aren't respecting you enough, and part of that you said comes from your speeches. Do you agree?
Sam, no. Simmy, get back.
Did you just fall over on your back?
You came. Oh, I told you I'd swing by. Oh, cool. You want to play some foosball? Sure.
That wasn't funny.
What is a photo?
Sammy's like, don't do that.
Oh boy, Maggie. You are in so... Look at me. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Get him, Judge.
Bandit, get your head back in here. Get your head back in here. Bandit. Psst. You know better.
Yummy. Wilty lettuce.